hello to all my friends out there. So I just want to go over a few things. It's just about the end of the month. But these are 7 cheap meals that you can have at the end of the month. And then you can have something a little more substantial for dinner. Okay, what I did was I made bean burritos and I froze them. And then I could just take them out of the freezer and I could zap them for 1 minute and a half. Well, what I did though, before that is I bought bean burritos at Dollar Tree for $1. And so if I had 7 bean burritos, it'd be $7. But if I make my own, it'd be about $1 or $2. And the burritos that I made were really good. Okay, number 2, Mr. Charles's Top Ramen. Hello to everybody, Mr. Charles, Annie, and Pamela, and all the men at Mr. Charles's work. And that is Top Ramen, Vienna sausages, and lemon. And I have made that several times. And if you have that with a sandwich, it's tasty. Canned chili in a rice bowl. It could be any canned food with rice. I think I made canned tamales, and I had rice and beans. With the canned food, I'm going to be shopping here pretty soon. I like about 31 cans of food. It could be anything. It could be chicken and dumplings. It could be pork and beans. It could be chili. It could be spaghetti. It could be raviolis. 30 cans. So one cheap meal would be the canned food with rice or potatoes or French fries, whatever you have. Okay, number 4, pancakes and eggs. One of the followers made a really good comment, and I would suggest reading the comments because I have, this month in particular, lots of good, I'm so lucky with my followers. They're so lovable. But his grandfather would have pancakes 3 times a week, and I thought, yeah, that is really good. You know, if you're moderate, pancakes with grape jelly, and then there was, I think it was the same person made the comment that he buys a lot of eggs and then he never runs out of food, which is true. You can make all kinds of things with eggs. Frittatas are very tasty. Omelets, fried eggs, you know, but pancakes and eggs would be good. I think the trick with pancakes is you would treat your pancakes just like 2 pieces of bread. Okay, today I'm making egg salad, you know, with cookies and tea. That's a good one. You can make egg salad, tuna salad, chicken salad, any kind of sandwich spread, and then, you know, some top ramen or some canned soup, whatever, you know, some chips, egg salad, peanut butter sandwich with top ramen and egg. Okay, you can eat some peanut butter sandwiches, you know, once in a while, like at the end of the month, if you're starting to run out of food, you know, a few peanut butter sandwiches with tea and cookies is good with maybe some top ramen. One good top ramen is top ramen with egg and sriracha chili sauce. And then 7 is lunch meat sandwich. I like to buy the lunch meat at Dollar Tree with tea and cookies. And cheese is good if you have it. A meat and cheese sandwich is good as you have it. Also, I didn't write this, but I should have. Those dollar sandwiches at Dollar Tree, they have fish sandwiches, they have hamburgers, they have barbecued sandwiches, they have grilled chicken sandwiches, they have burritos, those are good. Okay, so now for the tips on how to buy food. This is the one that I just started doing, and I thought, wow, this one is really, really good. Buy dented cans. I posted 3 good recipes on my Twitter. One was a fruit cocktail cake, because I got the fruit cocktail in a dented can. So today I'm going to make myself a nice cake with the fruit cocktail. The other one was the lima bean, and the other one was the best split pea soup. If you've been following me, you've been hearing about this split pea soup. One time, you know, I was working in this really good area, and they said, split pea soup, $9 a bowl. And I thought, oh joy, I went in there, my split pea soup is better. And it doesn't cost $9 a bowl. It calls for sausage, so you could literally get your lima beans and your sausage at Dollar Tree, and your tomato juice. If you don't have tomato juice, just use tomatoes or tomato paste or tomato sauce. Okay, so dented cans. I have quite a bit of food that I bought. I'm going to be shopping around. I'm going to go to the markdown bins at the various stores, and I'm going to make a point to buy dented cans this month, and I will show you what I buy. Number 2, buy markdown food. Okay, just off the top of my head, this last month, I successfully bought really nice portions of meat markdown and fruit markdown, and bread marked down. A lot of bread. I don't have to buy bread for my sandwiches all month. I got the bread for 50 cents. I bought, if you make a point, I bought lots of cookies. I bought brownies, all kinds of stuff, whatever I could find. The one thing on the markdown, though, that would be the best is canned food. I think Big Lots would be the best place to check out. I'm going to check that out. Okay, number 3, go to the food bank. If you don't have enough food, go to the food bank 1 or 2 times a week. Just get the food, bring it home, figure out what you can make out of it. The one meal that I made with chili and rice, that was supposed to be like a food bank meal. A lot of people on food stamps, not food stamps, that go to the food bank, don't cook. So, I will be trying to come up with some recipes that involve very little cooking. Some people just hate to cook. And if you hate to cook, I don't think you should cook. Okay, number 4, dumpster dive. Okay, I have been pretty unsuccessful at dumpster diving. Well, not pretty. Okay, like if I was going to give myself a grade, I would give myself a D. I wouldn't give myself a D- or an F because I actually located some stuff, but I don't think I can quite make it to a C yet. So I'll give myself a dumpster diving D. But it has improved immensely. But one of the followers, and I follow him, and you guys should follow him, is Bull Blank Dave. Hi, Dave. Thanks for the comment. Anyway, he listed a comment of all the stuff he was able to get. And, Freaking Frugal, I follow her too. She manages to get stuff. Well, I did get a handheld game, and it's listed right now on my eBay for $9.98. And if you really need food, consider trying to do a little dumpster diving. I think Aldi's would be a good place. Oh, I wanted to mention, and I kept forgetting it too, and then I'll just wrap up with this. I've been watching the preppers, videos, lots of them, and take a look at some of those videos I posted on what has happened in Nebraska, because it's horrifying. It's like, it's not like wet, it's like a river, a deep river. The whole, it's like really submerged in water. But I got off the track. The track is, back on track, is a lot of them are saying the cheapest place to buy food is Aldi's. So I did like it. I didn't find it cheaper than Walmart or Food for Less. Some of the stuff was really good though. Probably depends what you buy. But anyway, so I'm going to be, these people are invested in preparing. And so if they're saying they do all their shopping at Aldi's, I'm going to take a better look at Aldi's. I don't know, maybe it's just the one up here. I found really good deals on bacon, on cheese. And then I just want to mention one more thing. If you can make yogurt, make bread, and make a big pot of soup or stew, that's really going to help too, because you can eat that for 2 days. And with your yogurt, you can make smoothies. I usually make banana smoothies, 1 cup yogurt, 1 cup banana, and then milk. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.